To view videos on a GoPro, start by swiping up from the bottom center of the camera's rear screen. This will instantly make your recorded videos available for viewing by tapping the play button. You can navigate through them by swiping left and right on the screen. To view all your videos together, as well as edit or delete them, tap the 9 dots in the top left corner of the screen. Alternatively, you can view GoPro videos on your mobile phone or tablet using the GoPro Quick app. To do this, download and install the app from the Play Store or App Store. Then pair your GoPro camera to the app by putting it in pairing mode and allowing the app to search for it via Bluetooth. Once paired, go to the Media section of the app, choose from App, Phone, or Cloud, and your GoPro videos will be available for viewing and editing. You can also watch GoPro videos on your computer by ejecting the micro SD card from the camera, placing it in an SD card adapter, and inserting it into your computer's slot. The videos can be found in the DCIM folder, and you can watch them using your preferred video player. If you're having trouble viewing your GoPro videos, it may be due to the high resolution or frame rate at which they were recorded, or because the device and operating systems are incompatible. Overall, viewing GoPro videos is a straightforward process that can be done easily on the camera itself, a mobile device, or a computer.